morning, Kansas weather fans. We're out here today in the middle of an ice storm. The rain has let up for the moment, but it's going to come back. And right about now, the temperature is right at 32 degrees. So we got some ice accumulation overnight. And as you can see, it's kind of a different looking world out there today. It's looks very white, and that white look is the ice on all the trees and even on the ground. Now we have it even on the ground, so it's slippery. In fact, I just about slipped standing here just now. But let me just kind of give you a view of some of the ice accumulation. Hopefully I won't fall and kill myself here. We've got it. Just the other day we were out here looking at frost, and now we're looking at ice. And you can see it's all up there on the trees. I'm going to come in here for a closer look. Now you can see the ice accumulation there, and I would say that is more than 1/10 of an inch of ice, but it's not 1/4 inch. I would say that we're probably somewhere around maybe 2/10 of an inch accumulation on those trees. And the bushes, get above 1/4 inch, and that's when branches start breaking sometimes, and especially if the wind picks up, which it is going to do here shortly. It's already starting to pick up some. I'll walk around here a little bit, show you a few more pictures of this ice storm. Here at my favorite tree again, and I'll just kind of come in here so you can see the ice. And it's a little thicker than I really expected it would be. Again, I'd say that's probably about 2/10 of an inch, maybe. Just kind of guessing, but it sure is pretty. Of course, you can't really, when the sun comes out, then you can really see what it looks like. I'll try to get in here a little bit closer. You can see some of that ice on the branches there. Now, the way this happens is when you have warmer air up above and then cold air at the surface, and so rain falls through the warmer air, it hits the colder air, and the surfaces on the ground are below freezing, and so when it hits those surfaces, it freezes pretty much instantaneously. We also had some sleet, which is rain that freezes in the cold air before it hits the ground. And so what we have going on here is we've had really cold air in place these last couple of days, and now this system is bringing warmer air in across the top of it, and coming up from the south, and it's going to change here to rain, and it's going to warm up above freezing later today. So by the end of the day, this ice will probably be gone. Well, this is what the grass looks like. You can hear that when I walk, it crunches. It's all covered with ice. That's what gives it that white look. Icy grass. Here's one of my oak trees. Branches have a pretty good coating of ice on them. Thought it was neat how the light was shining off of these over here. bit of freezing rain. You can also hear it cracking as the wind blows the branches. This may be a little bit hard to see on video, but my sidewalk is a sheet of ice. You could practically ice skate on that if the ice were a little thicker anyway. But it's very slippery, and that's why you want to be careful in an ice storm. You want to stay off the roads because it can be very dangerous. It looks wet. That ice. Not this bush. It's striking with its coating of ice. Things have brightened up a little bit out here. This is a little bit after I shot the previous videos. And perhaps you can see a little bit more of the icy world that we're in right now. Beautiful coating of ice on all the trees. It is just very icy out here. Very icy. Well, that's our ice storm for today, and this is Kansas weather.